there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I saw 3 blue jays. I've never seen so many blue jays all together. The bird sanctuary.
Regarde, tu veux ça dans tes mains?
Ah, okay. I feel like a blue jay wouldn't. Just a chickadee would do that.
Est-ce qu'on est capable d'avoir un blue jay dans ma main? On est au Upper Canada Bird Sanctuary pour être capable de voir le plus d'oiseaux possible. Un oiseau. Oh! Come on, birdie! Hey, bye.
No, there's something in the water there, isn't there?
Yeah, un rat. C'est un rat. Un rat musqué.
It's a rat. There's a bunch of geese.
On va voir si on est capable de voir le rat.
I love him whispering.
Est-ce qu'on est capable de toucher le rat?
Ah!
No?
You're gonna get the disease. You would touch it? Swan over there. 3. Yeah. Man, poop on us. They're cranes, aren't they? What's coming this way? They're coming. Cute goose is like guarding the bridge. Look how close he is. I'll go over here, don't worry. You stay right over there. Moving. Oh my god!
Là. Bye. What's up? Pas chose, juste une coupe de rats, coupe d'oiseaux. Mais, je suis content de les avoir vus.
Terrifying.